Porsche Panamera Limousine. The Porsche Panamera Limousine is a unique luxury vehicle that combines the sporty style of a Porsche with the comfort and space of a limousine. It is a stretched version of the regular Porsche Panamera, designed for people who want both high performance and a premium travel experience. This limousine is often used for VIP transport, weddings, business events, and luxury occasions. One of the most exciting things about this vehicle is its sleek and sporty design. Even with its longer limousine body, it still keeps the elegant Porsche look with smooth curves, stylish headlights, and a powerful road presence. The stretched shape gives passengers more room inside while still looking fast and modern from the outside. Inside, the cabin feels like a luxury lounge mixed with a sports car atmosphere. It usually comes with soft leather seats, beautiful ambient lighting, advanced entertainment systems, and plenty of space to relax during the ride. Every detail is designed to make passengers feel comfortable and enjoy the journey. Even though it is larger than a normal Panamera, the limousine still delivers strong performance and smooth driving. The Porsche Panamera Limousine perfectly combines speed, luxury, comfort, and modern style into one unforgettable vehicle experience. Tesla Model S Plaid. The Tesla Model S Plaid is one of the fastest electric cars ever made. It is designed by Tesla to combine extreme speed, modern technology, and everyday comfort in a stylish luxury sedan. This car is popular because it delivers supercar-level performance while still being practical for daily use. One of the most exciting things about the Model S Plaid is its incredible acceleration. It can go from a standstill to very high speed in just a few seconds, making it feel extremely powerful and thrilling to drive. Even though it is very fast, it still looks simple, smooth, and modern with a clean aerodynamic design. Inside, the cabin feels futuristic and minimal. The center of attention is a large touchscreen that controls almost everything in the car, including navigation, music, and settings. There are very few physical buttons, which gives the interior a clean and modern look. Thule Tepui Autana. The Thule Tepui Autana is a rooftop tent built for people who love camping, road trips, and outdoor adventures. Unlike regular tents, it sits on top of your vehicle, giving you a raised sleeping area that keeps you safe from uneven ground, insects, and small animals. It's perfect for overlanders, families, or anyone who wants a quick and comfortable setup wherever they travel. Inside, the Autana provides space for 2 to 3 people and comes with a thick, comfortable mattress for a good night's sleep. The tent has mesh windows and vents, allowing fresh air to flow while keeping bugs out. A built-in rainfly keeps you dry during rain, and the hard-shell roof protects the tent while driving, making setup faster and easier. The Thule Tepui Autana is made from durable, weather-resistant materials, so it can handle sun, rain, and wind without any problem. It's lightweight and easy to mount on most vehicles, giving travelers the freedom to explore remote locations without sacrificing comfort. Tiffin Allegro Bus. The Tiffin Allegro Bus is a luxurious Class A motorhome made for travelers who want comfort, style, and convenience on the road. It's spacious, beautifully designed, and packed with features that make long trips feel just like being at home. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or just as a couple, this motorhome gives you plenty of space and all the essentials for a relaxing journey. Inside, the Allegro Bus feels open and inviting. The living area has comfortable seating where you can relax, enjoy meals, or spend time with loved ones. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-quality appliances, plenty of counter space, and smart storage, making it easy to cook and enjoy meals wherever you go. The bedroom has a cozy bed with enough space around it, and the bathroom is fully functional, giving you all the comforts of home while traveling. Large windows fill the interior with natural light and offer beautiful views wherever you park. Clever storage solutions keep your belongings organized without crowding the space, so it stays comfortable and practical. The Tiffin Allegro Bus is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, stylish, and cozy home on wheels. It makes every trip enjoyable and stress-free, turning every journey into a memorable adventure with comfort and luxury built right in. Timbercraft Big Sky. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a beautiful luxury tiny house on wheels that feels more like a real home than a small trailer. Built by Timbercraft Tiny Homes in Alabama, this model is designed for people who love the idea of simple living but don't want to give up comfort. It's large for a tiny house, offering around 399 square feet of space, which makes it feel open and welcoming instead of cramped. From the outside, the Big Sky has a warm and natural look with cedar wood and metal finishes. Inside, it feels cozy and stylish at the same time. You get real wood floors, clean shiplap walls, and large windows that bring in plenty of natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances and even includes a breakfast bar, making it practical for daily living. Travel Bike Camper. The Travel Bike Camper is a smart and creative invention that turns an ordinary bicycle into a small moving home. It is made for people who love adventure, cycling, and exploring new places in a simple and budget-friendly way. This camper connects to the back of a bicycle like a small trailer. While you are riding, it stays compact and easy to pull behind you. But when you stop at a nice spot, it quickly opens up into a small living space where you can relax, sit, or sleep comfortably. It feels like carrying a tiny room wherever you go. Inside, it usually includes a foldable bed or sleeping area, space to keep your bags and food, and protection from sun, wind, or light rain. Everything is designed to be lightweight, so the bike can still move easily, especially on flat roads and long cycling trips. The Travel Bike Camper is perfect for solo travelers and nature lovers who enjoy peaceful journeys. Unicorn Vigo Caravan. The Unicorn Vigo Caravan is a comfortable and modern travel caravan made for people who love road trips and camping with extra comfort. It is designed to feel like a small home on wheels, giving you a relaxing travel experience wherever you go. From the outside, it has a clean, stylish, and strong design. It is easy to tow with the right vehicle and works well for long highway journeys and camping trips. Its solid build makes it stable and reliable on different types of roads, so you can travel with confidence. Inside, the Unicorn Vigo Caravan feels spacious and cozy. It usually includes a soft seating area that can be converted into a bed so you can rest comfortably at night. There is also a fully equipped kitchen where you can cook meals, along with a washroom that includes a shower and toilet for convenience during travel. Everything inside is arranged in a smart and practical way, so you feel at home even when you are on the road. VSSL Insulated Flask. The VSSL Insulated Flask is a strong and stylish water bottle made for people who love being outdoors. Whether you are hiking, camping, traveling, or just on the go, this flask keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours. It's perfect for sipping hot coffee in the morning or enjoying a cold drink during a long hike. Made from durable, BPA-free stainless steel, the VSSL Flask is built to last. It is resistant to dents, scratches, and rough handling, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged on your adventures. The insulated design keeps your drinks at the right temperature, no matter how hot or cold it is outside. Its leak-proof cap ensures you can carry it in your backpack without spilling a drop. This flask is lightweight and easy to carry, fitting comfortably in backpacks, cup holders, or even your hand. Its sleek, modern design makes it look good while being very practical. Wide Path Camper. The Wide Path Camper is a smart and fun invention that turns your bicycle into a tiny moving home. At first glance, it looks like a small trailer, but once you stop and open it, it quickly transforms into a mini camper where you can relax, sit, and even sleep. It's designed for people who love adventure but also want a bit of comfort without carrying heavy camping gear. Inside, it can turn into a cozy bed for 2 people, and during the day, it can be used as a sitting area for eating or relaxing. The body is strong and built to handle different weather conditions, so you stay safe and dry. One of the best things is how fast it sets up. It only takes a few minutes and you don't need any tools. However, since it's a bit heavy, riding uphill can be difficult, especially with a normal bicycle. That's why it works best on flat roads or with an electric bike. Overall, the Wide Path Camper is perfect for short trips, creative adventures, and making unique travel content. Winnebago Forza. The Winnebago Forza is a luxurious motorhome designed for travelers who want comfort, style, and freedom on the road. It's a spacious home on wheels, perfect for long trips, family vacations, or exploring new places at your own pace. Inside, the Forza is bright and welcoming. There's a comfortable bedroom with a real bed, a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, and a cozy living area where you can relax, eat, or watch TV. Storage is thoughtfully placed throughout, so you can carry all your gear, clothes, and travel essentials without feeling cramped. Despite its size, the Forza is smooth and easy to drive. It handles highways and winding roads well, giving you confidence and comfort wherever you go. Large windows let in plenty of natural light and offer beautiful views, making every stop more enjoyable. The Forza also includes smart features that make life on the road more convenient.